Hey there, this is Ashley from WTI, and this is the Amazon Infants Ibuprofen. I really like this because it has a really good berry flavor and it's dye-free, so I know there's no extra stuff going into my kid's belly, just the medicine. I really like having this on hand, even if I don't need it in the moment. When your child starts to teeth or is running a fever or whatever it is, this is perfect to have because you just never know when that's going to happen. So I like also it's very easy for them to take. So Amazon includes this plunger here, and it has the measurements on the side and has this really small tip, so it's easy for your baby to suck it out, or you can go ahead and help plunge it into their mouth, and it's not a terrible taste. So that is a good thing about the berry flavor and it being dye-free. 2-in-1 there, no bad ingredients, but it's a good taste. So I highly recommend having this on hand or getting it if your child needs it, because you just never know when they're going to be not feeling well, and it's better to have it than having to run out in the store in the middle of the night. So I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.